Hi there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. To all of my viewers out there, welcome. This video is all about me teaching you how to create ads on Telegram, how they work, how do they really help us on creating our market. So before we get started, let me just check my recording. Everything is good. Okay, so welcome again. Before we really get started, I'm gonna ask you to pull up a notepad, like this one specifically. To access this one, just go to your search bar right here. If you're using your computer or your MacBook, just type in Notepad right there or Notes, something like that, and you'll have this application right here. If you're following me through a phone, you can just get a piece of paper, a pencil, a pen, write down the notes here to get the ideas or the steps to follow through when you follow this video on your own. So you won't have any trouble doing it on your own, okay? By the way, once you're ready to go, let's go into it. First thing is gonna be open a browser. This is gonna be a Microsoft Edge browser, a Bing actually. If you want to use Google Chrome, that is perfectly fine. I want to specify it's perfectly okay, okay? And then if you want to use Mozilla Firefox, though I'm not sure if it's still there, it's also okay if it's Safari. The idea here is as long as you have access to the internet, like this one right here, perfect. So you might ask, why am I opening ChatGPT landing page right here? So I'm gonna use ChatGPT to get the examples or the meaning or the definitions I want to walk you through on this video. So I'm gonna pull up my notepad right here. As you can see, I have a note of myself. It helps me remember things more specifically and accurately. So the first thing we're gonna tackle, or first thing we're gonna go through is what are Telegram ads? How do they work? I'm sure you're all familiar with Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and all kind of ads in the internet. Actually, I am really not a fan of ads in the internet. When I'm watching something like that, it really gets on. It's really disturbing for me. Well, it's marketing. I can help it anyway. So, what are Telegram ads? Why don't we ask ChatGPT rather than searching Google? For example, if you want to search Google, what are Telegram ads? Something like that. Google will give you a very vague general answers, really confusing. That's why I'm using ChatGPT. Since I love this website so much, AI is a trend right now. Might as well take advantage of it, right? And by the way, I'm using a free version, so you don't have to pay for upgrade right now if you don't need to. Anyway, if you don't know how to get here, let's just open a Google form right there, a Google search bar, and just type in Chat GPT. From here, click on this link right here, and this should be the landing page. And then look for Try Chat GPT right there. Okay? By the way, you need a Google account to access this or a Facebook account to have an account. Because I'm having an account right here, make sure you're logged in. Anyway, since we have ChatGPT here, why don't we ask him or it or her what are the Telegram ads? How do they work? For example, before we get this question to ChatGPT, I wanna let you know, guys, know that to have the specific answer we want, we need to know how to talk to ChatGPT, not just as general as what are Telegram ads, how do they work. Let's say, what are Telegram ads, and give me a second here, and how do they work? To get that optimized answer, we need to be very specific on talking with ChatGPT. Please bulletize a brief answer. Please take note, I said bulletize right there. I'm not sure if that's the right term for it, but I want it to be as brief, as accurate as possible, as organized. That's why I want it to be bulletized. Is it bulletize or bulletize? Please correct me if I'm wrong. Anyway, this is the idea of it. ChatGPT is telling us very specific answers rather than Google itself. I'm not really disclaiming Google, but I want to use ChatGPT to give you the specific answer. Anyway, here are the answers that get through them. Telegrams are a form of communication that predates modern electronic methods like email or text messaging. When they are means of transmitting message, typically telegrams involve sending coded message, moreover, or something like that. So this is only a definition of telegram. Now let's be more specific. How does telegram ads work? bulletize the answer. So, Telegram Ads is an advertisement platform offered by the messaging app Telegram, of course. Advertisers can create and run ads to promote their products or services within the Telegram app. The ads are displayed as sponsored messages with the user's chat list or channels they are subscribed to. So, in general or in summary, Telegram ads are the same as Facebook ads, are the same as YouTube ads. In a way, they're only within Telegram themselves. You can't see any Telegram ads within Facebook, of course. You're not gonna see Telegram ads on YouTube or Google. You're only gonna see Telegram ads within Telegram app. So, lastly, here the ads are shown to Telegram users who match their advertisers' targeting criteria, increases the chance of reaching relevant audiences. The thing that differs Telegram for YouTube advertisement is YouTube is very general. Whoever watches the video is not really specific what ads you want to match them with, want to target them with. Telegram, on the other hand, is very specific. For example, I have an advertisement regarding a lotion. I can match the audiences that I want to target regarding that ad campaign about lotion. Okay, those are the few differences regarding Telegram apps and YouTube ads, and I think also Facebook ads are not that specific. They're all in general same as Facebook, Google, YouTube. Anyway, since we have that Telegram has how do they work, what are Telegram ads, why don't we jump to the next question, what are the type of Telegram ads? Give me a second right here, what are the types of ads, please bulletize. This is why I love ChatGPT so much. It gives me the specific answer I want in the nick of time. So, as of my knowledge cutoff of September 21, Telegram offers the following type of ads. These are the following type of ads that Telegram offers as of now. Sponsored messages, tap banners, feed ads, I'm sorry, and channel ads. So please note that Telegram might have introduced new formats and made changes to their advertisement offering after my knowledge cutoff. So these ads are as of September 20th, 21. Please be advised that ChatGPT mentioned that they may be new way of ads. Anyway, in my knowledge, to be honest, guys, I think these are the same ads as of now, especially these sponsored messages. Now, why don't we get into it? What are each of these ads all about? So first, let's try in sponsored messages. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I'm gonna use Google now to give you a visual representation how does they look like. So as you can see here, this is how a Telegram sponsored messages looks like. I'm gonna try and zoom in a little bit or zoom out. So as you can see here, this is a Telegram sponsored message. It's a Telegram launching a sponsored message, a privacy connection. It has that button right there, that view channel button right there. If you click on that, you'll be redirected on the channel that that user gave you. For example, this one right here. This is much clearer. So you're gonna get these messages or private messages from any friends you have on Telegram. And then once you click on that view channel option, you'll be directed on the channel that your friend has. Okay? This is a sample of Telegram ads. This is sponsored messages ads. Now let's get on to the second channel, or I'm sorry, second ads. It's gonna be called banner ads. So tap banners Telegram sample. And for this one, I think it's just gonna be a banner of some sort, like this one right here. You're gonna have that banner right there. It's an ad. For example, it's just like an IG or Instagram handle. It's the same as that one, but with Telegram. Okay? For me, to be honest, I prefer this sponsored messages more to target my audiences, to get my audiences to be more specific on my marketing. Anyway, that's not me to answer if you want to use tap banners or not. It's really up to you. So, what are tap banners and sponsored messages? Sponsored messages these are ads displayed as messages within the user's chat list or channels they are subscribed to. They can contain text, images, and clickable links, as I mentioned earlier. If you click that link, you'll be redirected on the user's channel or chat list, okay? So what are tap banners now? These ads appear as banner ads at the top of the user's chat list. They can include an image and a brief text. It's not the same as sponsored messages in a way that this tap banners doesn't have clickable links. To get the market out there, to get the customers out there, you need them to search your specific channel. I'm gonna show you later on how to create an ads, okay? So the only difference about sponsored and tap banner is tap banner doesn't have clickable links. Sponsored messages have clickable links. That's why I prefer sponsored messages more. Now moving on, feed ads. What are feed ads? These ads are displayed the user's chat list appearing similar to regular messages. They include links, images, and text. It's the same as sponsored messages, but this is more on feed rather than sponsored. Okay? Let's try and search up feed ads sample. And I think it's the same as sponsored messages as right there. There only be a minor difference. Give me a second. I've misclicked. I think there only be a minor changes right there. Give me a second here. I'm gonna try and look for one because it's not that popular, not the same as sponsored messages. And I think they really don't have a sample here because Telegram feed ads is the same as Instagram feed ad. For example, this one right here, you're scrolling to your Instagram, right? Think of it as you're scrolling to your Telegram. You're scrolling to your Telegram channel, you're scrolling to your friend's channel or your friend's conversation with you, and you'll see this ads right there randomly pop up. That means your friend is using Telegram feed ads. Okay? Now, last one is going to be channel ads. These ads are specifically designed for promoting channels within the Telegram app. They can be displayed in various sections such as feature section or search results. So what are channel ads? They're specifically ads that are within a channel itself. I'm going to show you later on a sample of a channel, okay? So the next part of this discussion is going to be creating a Telegram account. As you can see here, I already have my Telegram account. How to create this one is very simple. You just need to have a Gmail or an email to be registered with to get the verification code, and then you need to follow through the metrics on username, name, surname, something like that, and you'll have this Telegram account. Now, how to create a Telegram ads? Let me just remove that one. So to advertise, we're gonna advertise now. So create a Telegram account. That's done. Let me just remove that. Create a Telegram channel for business. Now, let's say you're already here. Let's say you already have a Telegram account, and this is your landing page. So to create a channel, I want you to click on this pencil icon right here. You'll see new channel, new group, and new message. Since I'm creating a channel for business, I'm gonna click on new channel right there. Choose my specific audiences. Click one, and then channel name. Let's just say, for example, Leslie, something like that. Description, yoga pants, something like that. Click OK. Now I have my channel right here. I have a friend within this channel. It's just the same like Facebook Messenger groups, something like that. It's the same idea as this one. Now, how can I create ads here? I'm gonna click on this more actions right there, and right here and now I'm gonna click on select messages, report, or start a video chat. Okay. Now from here and out, you'll see that this is a channel, and this is the link. If you click on this link, you can send it to any one of your friends, and then they could be joining this channel right here. Okay? That is specifically important to advertising your ads. Now, this is a channel. This is how you create an ads. And moreover, if you want a group to be created, click on new group right there. Click on your friends and click your group name, something like that. Click on OK, and you have created a group right here. A group can have 200 members, persistent chat history, public links, admins with different rights. Now, from this one, you can also create an ads here by clicking video chat, select messages, or report, something like that. Okay. Now, move over. If you want to be more specific here, I'm gonna be on the specifics on a later video. Anyway, that's how you could to do ads, create ads, and the type of ads that Telegram has. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.